G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this little Moreton Bay Ash back on the table. Probably saw this tree, I don't know, 6 months or more ago. Gave it a pretty severe root prune, got it into this bonsai pot. Oh, wow. It sulked for probably 2 or 3 months. Wasn't even sure that it was going to make it. Like, it never really dropped all its leaves or anything, but it just didn't look very good. Its last few months have been putting on a lot of growth, and it's time to make some styling decisions and bring the growth back in a bit. Yeah, and see what we're going to do with it. There won't be any repotting, just pruning. So, one thing that did happen to this tree, this branch here, dropped all its leaves, and I'm pretty sure that branch is now dead. I will leave that bit of a stub there, and once we bring all this back in, if it's still alive, with the extra light that it gets, it may shoot again, but I think it's gone. Yeah, I don't think it's coming back. But these things are probably a little bit prone to throwing branches. So the first thing I'm probably going to do, there's a couple of branches like this one here that's shot off the side that I probably don't want. I think I'm still going to have this branch here as my first branch. Hopefully I'll get something out here again for the second branch, but if not, it's no big deal. So we'll just clean up that branch there that we don't really want. Some of these in here, growing from the inside of that bend, we don't want. Just so we can continue to see that trunk from the front. I'm pretty sure this will still be the front. It's probably the best angle of the tree. It's a real shame that one's gone, but you know, it is what it is. The rest of the tree, that's another one there that it's dropped. It's crunchy and dead. I don't think I want to do deadwood on this tree. Being a eucalypt, I think it'll probably just throw any deadwood anyway. Maybe later on we can try and do something with deadwood, I don't know. And most of all we really need to do is just bring everything back in like we've been doing with our other trees. So we force it to ramify. And give us some more branch choices for future styling decisions. That's really all we're doing. Overall, the strength of the tree is pretty good. It hasn't gone crazy on one branch like it did last time. This branch here had just taken off last time, and all these branches were showing very little growth. It hasn't done that this time, which is good. And I think that is because we did cut this one back to reduce the strength in it, and we left these alone. So then once this was cut back, it directed more energy that way, and it sort of balanced itself out, which is really good. Don't know if I really like this right angle. Well, it's not quite a right angle, but straight, near 90-degree angle, straight. Looks a bit funny, doesn't it? As we start to open it up, you can see there's lots of these dead branches where it's just decided to throw a branch, but I'm hoping that that's mainly because of the root prune that we did. I'm hoping it's not a thing that it's just going to do all the time and destroy all my styling choices. It's not really what you want in a tree. Probably a little bit too many branches up here, and that one maybe can go. You can see how bare it is on this side of the tree now. But I'm hoping now with all that extra sunlight, even if that's dead, it may choose to shoot a branch out. Even up here it'd probably be acceptable maybe somewhere. Even along that straight section maybe. And we'll just have to see what we get, I guess. You'll notice I've undone these tie-in wires. It feels pretty solid in the pot now. So I'm pretty confident that it's put a lot of energy into root growth, and it's probably half the reason why it was so slow to get going to start with. But yeah, now it's powering on, so really we don't have to do anything more to it. Just forcing it to ramify, opening up those areas and hoping we get something shooting out on this bare side, because like I said, it looks pretty empty the way it is. But anyway, we'll see what the rest of spring and summer gives to us, and we'll have a look in a few more months. So that's it, short one today. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.